Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best tripod selfie sticks in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is ATUMTEK Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod. The new feature of a selfie stick is its Bluetooth connectivity. The stock has a Bluetooth remote that makes selfies easier to take from far. The selfie stick is super lightweight, weighing 6 ounces. It can take 15 kilograms of a camera or smartphone. This selfie stick can rotate up to 70 degrees with its phone holder. It has horizontal clips and vertical clamps to carry the phone. The adjustable angle of this selfie stick is 270 degrees by its phone holder. It can tilt up to 180 degrees. It can carry the device up to 3 to 4 inches wide. The detachable remote control and perfect batteries make it much more compatible with different devices in different situations. The selfish stick can accommodate any situation by integrating innovative design. It is the selfie stick and a tripod that can be the best choice for your traveling. It works with an adjustable angle and a rotatable phone holder. The selfie stick also has a detachable Bluetooth remote that ranges up to 33 feet. This is super lightweight and convenient to carry a selfie stick that can be in the size of your hand. It is simple to use and universal fit. The superb features make it much more compatible with many devices. This selfie stick has the best reviews on the internet by its users. It has the best benefits because of its multi-angles and detachable remote control. It is a super lightweight and portable selfie stick with Bluetooth. Number 2. Our second best pick is Aureday 62-inch phone tripod stand. This tripod stick has ultra-wide compatibility because of its versatility and adjustable features. It has an ultra-long rod for capturing broader scenes. It is also a lightweight and portable selfie stick, plus a tripod. The tripod stick is easy to use. It is adorable and durable because of its perfect grip and fantastic features. I can use this multifunctional selfie stick for capturing videos and recording travel vlogs. It will give incompatible benefits by capturing the expendable view. It has quick locks and non-slip rubber feet for perfect grip. The selfie stick is perfect for vlogging and live streaming. It performs with its durability and exciting features. It has adjustable height and locking components that can grip the tripod and make it much more comfortable. It has a flexible head for free rotation that can be rotated up to 360 degrees. The phone holder can tilt up to 180 degrees. Beautiful sceneries and daily vlogs can be benefited from this tripod and portable selfie stick. It has admirable height and beneficial features that are suitable for professionals. Number 3. Our third best pick is the Yoozon Selfie Stick Tripod. This tripod plus selfie stick has a triple mount adapter. It can be horizontally fixed with mobile phones and vertically too. It has a compact design and is easy to carry. It weighs only 163 grams and is compatible with many smartphones. One can easily take photos with this mobile phone that captures every smile in the crew. It has trouble mounting a selfie stick that can carry family gatherings and amazing landscapes. The compatibility of this tripod stick goes with its Bluetooth. It can be set with iPhone and Android phones. One can also use Samsung Galaxy and another smartphone to be held on its phone holder. It is much easier to use a tripod plus a selfie stick. It is the best tripod plus selfie stick with broad compatibility with smartphones. It can capture the best pictures with free angle adjustment. It can support up to 360 degrees of rotation and 180-degree tilting quality. It makes your videos more professional. You can use this tripod or selfie stick as an external monitor that can capture the moment of your life. It has an excellent design with easy-to-carry features. The selfie stick is great for traveling and vacations. It can improve photo and video quality. The selfie stick has a detachable remote control. It has a safer lock and broad compatibility with the sturdy construction and portable mini-size looks. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ACEHE Selfie Stick Tripod. It is an all-in-one selfie stick that can be friendly in every situation. It has the power to fill up light in the pictures. The beautiful integrated innovative design is its prominent feature. It can be a handheld phone holder, selfie stick, or tripod. This selfie stick can be a tripod placed on the floor or on the table because of its adjustable height. It can be stable with its 3 legs that support its compact design. This selfie stick plus tripod has a unique design with lots of benefits. It has a detachable Bluetooth remote and a rechargeable flash. Enjoy using the flash that evens out my photographs. It is foldable and weighs only 4.97 ounces. The height can be adjusted up to 39 inches. This selfie stick has excellent features for holding an iPhone. It can add more comfort to your photography passion. The flashlight of the selfie stick is rechargeable with a USB. It is good to use many smartphones. Turning on the Bluetooth will connect you to the phone quickly. This selfie stick has a long life that can take 5,000 plus pictures. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Smatree Q3 Telescoping Selfie Stick with Tripod. This selfie stick is expendable because it can be a tripod too. Its fast locking system can rotate up to 360 degrees and be flexible. Its camera mount is excellent for having any camera or mobile phone for vlogging and other types of photos and video capturing. This selfie stick plus tripod can be widely applicable with different cameras and mobile phones, and it can also be used for taking different kinds of photographs. With this selfie stick, I can use action cameras like the DJI Osmo and GoPro Hero. The selfie stick comes with a small pole, cell phone holder, tripod mount, thumb screws, and wrist straps. This tripod is the best because it is extendable and fits every cell phone. It is a universal tripod stand that can be taken in any situation. It keeps a telescopic pole that can be sturdy for any photography. It can be locked with the perfect grip and will give your photography more strength. This tripod plus selfie stick has an adjustable length and rotational head for taking photos from different angles. This selfie stick plus tripod stand has a twist lock and a professional design. It can be perfect for a relaxed shooting environment. It can also be used in every environment and can tackle challenging situations. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.